So what is exactly stream in Java? So what is written here? A stream. This is a stream class. A stream of element supporting sequential and parallel aggregate operations. It's confusing, right? Let's take one example and try to correlate with the sequence or with the stream. Okay. So in this video, here you have assembly line, and every assembly unit has a dedicated task to do and do their job. They are doing their jobs independently. So like it's starting with the bottle making, then bottle cleaning, sorting the bottle in one line, then filling the drink in it, filling or fitting a cap to seal it, and then finally packing it and storing it, right? So these are the multiple tasks done by the different assembly lines. It's not the same line, it's a parallel. So when one assembly line is like making the bottles, the another assembly line is cleaning the bottle which is made earlier, right? At the same time, third assembly line is like filling the bottles or fitting the bottles, right? These are the parallel tasks done by the different assembly lines. Imagine if this job is done by the single person, it will take too much time, right? So these are the bottles passed over the assembly line. So assembly line 1, assembly line 2, assembly line 3, and these bottles when passed through assembly lines has a specific task to do on it. Okay, so here the bottles are the collections and assembly is like a task given to it. So bottle, like a collection, pass via assemblies to do a dedicated job, and they can work in a parallel way. So now let's take the same example which we already did in earlier lecture for a map, filter and reduce by Java concept, not without using a streams. So let's do the same example using a stream.